morning. It's not a great morning. As you can hear, I'm not feeling well. My thumb hurts because I pulled a muscle yesterday doing cheese. And my lips are all chapped, my nose is all stuffed up, and my throat, it doesn't hurt, but I'm losing my voice in and out. So, it's gonna be a great day. Thankfully, I have the next 2 days off after today, so I should be doing better, hopefully. And then I work Sunday, but I'm off tomorrow, and I'm off Saturday, so hopefully I'll have a good day. We'll see how today goes, though. Makamosa on Mama's lap, where he loves to sit. Sammy is on the back of the couch, where she loves to sit. And it's snowing outside, and you can't tell right now. Give it a minute. Now do you see it? It's snowing. Which royally sucks. I'm washing clothes so that I can have clothes to wear to work tonight, and so that I can have clothes to pack just in case I have to stay overnight somewhere because it's nasty. I don't want to. I just want to come home because I don't feel good. So I feel like crap. I feel like death. I don't want to do anything. I was coughing earlier and almost shit my pants at the same time. Crazy, isn't it? I know, gross information, but it's true. That's how sick I am. So, and my thumb hurts, which I told you. It still hurts, in case you're wondering. So, yeah, this is my fun day. Not fun. Getting ready to get the vlog up and running. There's on my picture from a while ago. I took that out the counselor's office. This picture that I have for my computer. Fabrilius Minimus, but you can call me Fib. There's Olive. He's out there on the table. We're doing good so far. Feeling much better after I took a shower. I feel like I washed away the bad vibes. No more bad vibes. So I'll feel better about going to work tonight. Even though it's snowing like crazy. Oh boy, this will be fun. Hey, I'm so glad this doesn't need what 3G to work. So, yeah, it's about partway through my shift. I've got most of my station done. So, wings are the big thing that I don't have done yet. Everything else is pretty much done. So, hopefully I'll be able to go home as soon as possible after the rush is over. So, yay, let's do this.
Mom's not paying attention to me. She's on her device.
I made it home.
She doesn't want.
Oh, you can't see anything here. I'm having a good day. Having a bad night. My nose hurts. So, yeah. Hey, so I'm tired and I'm gonna go to bed soon. I'm just gonna upload the footage and get it all edited before I go to bed. So I'll see y'all tomorrow. Bye!